Hey teachers, and to those who are asking kung mayroon ba tayong project proposal in relation to disaster preparedness or sa ating mga DRR. By the way po pala, pasensyahan nyo na po yung aking boses kasi medyo sinisipon tayo ngayon dahil sa pabago-bago ng panahon. Anyway, yung ating proposal ay may kinalaman sa sabihin na natin lagi natin hinahanap or kailangan natin na paghandaan because of course we are always visited by different typhoons and iba-ibang mga natural calamities. So a project proposal in relation to DRR is really needed. So we have this kind of proposal and this is entitled Project DREAM with the acronym Disaster Readiness, Education, Awareness, and Management Workshop for Schools. So ito po ay pwede nyo po din i-benchmark or if you want, you can modify and gamitin nyo po sa inyong mga schools. So may I present to you the content of this project proposal. Pwede nyo po siyang i-screenshot if you want to have this copy. So again po, this is just a sample and you can always modify this. So sa paggawa ng proposal, andyan naman po malinaw yung mga parts. Nakikita nyo po naman dyan. Okay. Then after this, rationale, ayan, background of this proposal. Then the objectives. So yung objectives natin, pinuha pa din natin sa ating project title. Then the project methodology, how it will be conducted. So nagsimula na po tayo dito, consultation, so this month of July and so on, and then po yung breakdown. Then the schedule of the workshop, ano yung mga gagawin na activities. So this is the sample activities wherein you can modify this one or copy nyo if you want also this. Then the project deliverables, project risk management, project costs, which will depend upon your expenses or estimated expenses, sources, monitoring and evaluation, and at the end of the proposal is your signatories. So ito po yung sample natin na content. So maglalagay po ako ng password if ever nasa video po, then pag open nyo po ng link ng drive na to, I mean ng link ng soft copy, need po yung password. So ilagay nyo lamang po siya hanggang sa ganun ay hindi po kayo magkaproblema. Again, this is free and if ever may gusto kayong comment or additional, ilagay nyo lang po sa comment section para po at least yung iba maayos din po and ma-inform. So again, this is just a sample project proposal inline sa DRR. So sa ating mga coordinator dyan o sa mga naghahanap ng ganitong klaseng proposal. So yan po, if ever nakatulong tayo, you can always subscribe or comment in our comment section. That's all for today po. God bless po.